You ever hit that point where you stare at your phone after payday and realize the money's already gone? That was me, working harder every year, but somehow falling further behind. Rent, bills, taxes, inflation, like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. And one day, that treadmill threw me off completely. Email from corporate, effective immediately, your pay has been reduced. Just like that. 50% gone. I sat there thinking, if they can take half my income in one email, do I really have freedom? That question changed my life. If any of this sounds familiar, do yourself a favor. Open another tab right now and go to sevenfiguremonk.com. You'll see exactly how I built an online business that pays me 100% profit, runs on automation, and gave me back my peace of mind. Check it out while you listen, because what I'm about to share might be the thing you've been missing. After that pay cut, I went down the rabbit hole of make money online. Affiliate marketing, dropshipping, crypto, surveys, you name it, I tried it. Most of them were just new ways to stay broke with better branding. Then one night, scrolling YouTube, I heard a mentor say, if you don't own the system, you are the system. That line hit me like a brick. I realized I'd spent my whole life building someone else's dream, clocking in for them, selling for them, stressing for them, part of their system. So I decided to learn how to build something that worked for me instead. That's when I discovered digital marketing with master resale rights. It wasn't hype, it was leverage, a real business model that gives you the ability to resell proven digital products for 100% profit. Automate the process and earn while living your life. No inventory, no cold calls, no begging people to join you. Just pure value and automation. At first, I didn't believe it. Like, how could something that simple replace a full-time income? Then I saw people just like me, teachers, nurses, mechanics, musicians, earning from home using nothing but their phone and Wi-Fi. I gave it a shot. First month, a $600 day, then $900 days, now $1,400 days. That's when it clicked. This wasn't luck. This is leverage. One sale equals $1,400. That's $42,000 a month potential, $511,000 a year, all from a 2-hour workday around your schedule. And yeah, let's keep it real. Results aren't typical. They depend on effort and consistency. But then again, typical people stay broke, so don't be typical. Most people spend their lives chasing the next promotion, the next raise, the next boss's approval, like hamsters on a shiny new hamster wheel. But the truth is, you don't need a faster wheel, you need a different vehicle altogether. That's what this system is. It's a vehicle, a system. It gives you 10 income streams, 100% profit, done for you website and funnel, automated email system, daily training from $1 million mentor. It's plug and play, no tech degree required, no monthly fees draining your peace of mind, no following needed, just a step-by-step roadmap called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it shows you how to launch in one day and build consistent income from home. The first time automation made me a $900 sale, I was sleeping. It didn't even feel real. I woke up and I checked my email, $900 received. And that's when I realized this isn't about getting rich, it's about getting your time back. Time to breathe, time to create, time to actually live. That's what freedom really is, control over your time and over your choices. And let's be honest, freedom isn't for the lucky, it's for the bold, and it's for the action takers. Most people wait until they're desperate to change. I waited way too long, and you're probably waiting way too long too. I let stress steal years I can't get back. Literally wasted years of my life chasing money and being overworked and underpaid. But the moment I said yes to building my own system, everything shifted. I stopped chasing opportunities and started creating income online. So here's my question for you. How long do you want to trade your time for money at your job? How long do you want your peace to depend on your paycheck? Because the system I'm using can change that for you, if you're willing to take action. You don't need experience, you don't need a following, you just need to decide. Start by going to sevenfiguremonk.com right now. Download the Freedom Formula Blueprint PDF inside of the first email. It's free and it walks you through exactly how this business works, how to launch in one day, how to follow the 2-hour workday, and how to let automation build your income while you live your life or while you're sleeping. You'll plug into our community that trains daily, mentors you weekly, and celebrates your wins right beside you. You will realize that you were never meant to play small. If you're still watching this, there's a reason. Something in you knows you're built for more. So stop waiting for motivation and start moving with intention. Freedom isn't something you find, it's something that you build. And it starts right now. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description. Grab the blueprint and start building the life that you can't stop thinking about.